Hi, I'm Adrian from the Frederick V. Pankow Center, and today I'm going to be interviewing the LC bowling team. Let's get straight to it.
Yes, I think this team is the same caliber of last year, so hopefully we can repeat what we did last year. I've got 3 returning starters, and so I've got some new upcoming people, so we should do fine this year. Last year was my best season. We went 8-2, got first place, also got Coach of the Year, and this year I think I should be able to repeat.
I think the hardest team to go against will probably be Centerline. They tied us for first last season, and to beat them we probably just have to take it more serious when we go against them and not mess around as much.
They just got to concentrate more, and they have to make their spares. If they make their spares, then we win championships.
My goals for this year are to get better at picking up spares and just increase my overall average. Our teammates usually improve each other by supporting each other, giving us advice on where to throw the ball and where to stand and how to pick up spares more often.
We all give each other crap and we all mess around with each other, and we feel if you make it fun, you're going to all enjoy the sport and you're going to have more fun and hopefully win more.
How me and my teammates work together to improve. I think we all look at each other while we're bowling and give us things that we need to work on and what we need to improve, stuff like that. My trying to improve this year from last year is be more consistent from game to game and get the average up more.
Let's go!
My goals for this season is place high and just have everybody the best they can at the end of the season. Something I can do to improve those goals is just encourage everyone else on the varsity team and the entire bowling team just to keep practicing and improving their ability.
Goals this season, win it all. Win the division, win all the tournaments, win all the meets, shoot a 300 game that I've never done.
Goals would be probably placing high in our division again, because we got tied for first last year.